Hi, my name is Spencer Morga.
Hello, I'm Jay Garg.
And I'm Mia Lesser.
We're the web development team for the Westlake Tennis Academy, a local nonprofit business dedicated to helping kids in Westlake Village learn the skills necessary to succeed in a top-notch high school tennis program. Here's the homepage for our website with a title and a slogan. Below, we have a short program description and two functional buttons. For returning members, they can easily join a lesson by clicking this button here. For new members who would like to find out more about the program, a link to the Learn More page is conveniently located to its right. In the top left, you can see the logo for the Westlake Tennis Academy. In the browser header, you can see a condensed version of our logo serving as a recognizable and effective favicon. As I scroll down, the page blends into a slip-shaped carousel with testimonials from members as well as images of Westlake varsity, so users can familiarize themselves with the program. Below are banners highlighting Westlake Tennis's accomplishments, displaying the program's ethos for the user to see. At the bottom of the page is our website footer, including the school's address, general info, as well as a convenient and functional link to our sources page.
Now, if we go to the mission page, the user can learn more about why this program was developed and its purpose. We wanted our website to be accessible on a large range of devices. You can see that when we change the size of the screen, it adapts to give the user the best experience. The navbar collapses at the iPhone size and still includes all our navigation links. We were very concerned with accessibility when making our site and made sure our color palette was not only contrasting so it was easy to read, but also colorblind friendly.
Back to the homepage. Say I'm a new member looking for more information about this program. I came across it and they've got an amazing website, but I want to know more. Clicking on this button, I'm taken to the Learn More page. A description of how the tennis lesson will work as well as directions on how to sign up are included. The Join a Lesson page is even linked in blue right in the instructions. Below are frequently asked questions, which are perfect for new members to seek answers to whatever unknowns they might have. The FAQs are structured in a drop-down accordion, which provides greater readability as the user is able to select only the answers they wish to see, so the page isn't cluttered with additional walls of text. Clicking on the Instructors tab leads you to a page giving insight into who exactly will be leading the Academy's lessons. Each instructor box contains a portrait whose color scheme is integrated perfectly into the website's overall design. The name, contact info, and a brief description of each instructor is provided in a concise format. Users can learn more about the instructors' tennis background, their playing and teaching style, their hobbies, and more. Users can click the email to easily contact their instructors. Back to the homepage. So let's try to join a lesson. But wait, we have to be logged in, so let's create an account.
When we create an account, we have to enter a username, email, and password, and have the option to sign up for the mailing list. An error will occur if we leave a field blank, enter a username or password that's too short, enter an email without an @ or enter a username or email that's already taken. Once we create an account, we are automatically logged in and can access the Join a Lesson page.
In the middle of the page, we can see the date of the day selected and whether or not there's a lesson. If there's not a lesson, you can see below when the next available lesson will be. On the right-hand side, the user can see instructions to click on a circled day to join a lesson, so they know how to clearly use the calendar. There's also an option to request a lesson for the selected day, and when we go to the admin account, we will see these requests in the optional messages, so instructors can consider adding a lesson on that day. Let's make a request on the 20th. If we click on a day with a lesson, we can see the time, and beneath that, we have an integrated API for Google Maps, so the user can see the map of the location and move the map around. On the right-hand side, we see the list of instructors for this lesson and the students who have registered, so people can see if any of their friends have joined. We can enter the name of our participant and register and see the name displayed in the spots taken. Now it says that the lesson is full because the max amount of people have joined. We can also click to future months and see the lessons there.
If we go to the settings page, we can edit our account information and see our past and upcoming lessons. We can even see the lesson we just added. We can change our email or username, which have the same error codes as sign up. We can also change our password by first entering the current password and then entering a new password. This helps ensure the security of our accounts. Finally, we can also delete our account. The website has users confirm this deletion to prevent users from accidentally deleting their accounts. This will also remove them from future lessons they have signed up for. Now we can log into a normal account. We get similar errors if we enter incorrect information. This account has many past and upcoming lessons. The past lessons are grayed out to distinguish them from upcoming lessons. Both lesson types have a date, time, and location. I can sign out using the sign out button, which replaces the login. Now I will log into an admin account, which only instructors and business owners will have access to. The admin link will only appear for users logged into an admin account.
We added this admin screen so our non-tech-savvy business owners are able to add, edit, and delete lessons with ease. If a day like today does not currently have a lesson, there's a form to add one. If we click on a day that currently has a lesson, we can see the current data already filled in and choose to change any of the fields. We can also see the participants who have registered. Let's change the student limit. Once we hit Edit Lesson or Delete Lesson, an email will be sent out to the participants to notify them that the lesson has been changed or deleted. Now let's try adding a lesson. The days with blue circles around them are days that have requests. Let's go to the 20th, where we made a request and add a lesson. We have to put information in all the fields, and we'll get an error message if we do not put in the information correctly. The people who have requested will receive an email if a lesson is added on that day. If we go to the Join a Lesson page, we can now see the new lesson we added and the changes to the one we edited.
From the footer, here's our sources page, where all our citations and licenses are listed in sections, each with individual scrollability. All of the page designs were designed and built by our team without the help of any pre-built website program such as Wix. No templates were used, and the design of the user interface and experience are all unique and original.
We coded the entire website ourselves to give a unique style and elevate the user experience, as we were able to tailor the design to our desired branding. We designed our website using Figma, then created it with React. Here you can see our front-end code. React is an industry standard in web design, and its highly responsive components allow for better user experience.
Here is the backend server, which is written in Node.js and hosted on Google Cloud. It connects to a MongoDB database and has over 30 custom APIs to make the website work. Furthermore, it uses a job scheduler called Agenda to automatically send reminder emails to users who signed up for 1 day before the lesson. This will help users remember their lessons and increase attendance. I'll run the server and show that it actually sends an email to my email address because I have signed up for tomorrow's lesson. It works by scheduling a function to run the day before every lesson that sends customized emails to every student with lesson information such as the date, location, and instructors. It even includes the links to Google Maps with the exact address so that the users do not get lost. Here's the backend code.
Thank you for taking the time to listen to our presentation.